Hello, I am in a nice little break spot here with a beer and a kayak on a little section of river that basically has no stream to it. A little bit, you can sort of tell, maybe not, you can't in the video, but a little tiny bit of flow, but it's so easy to go up and forth, so, or up and back. It's lovely. And this little break spot is lovely under this tree. Love the trees that have fallen over somewhat over the water, and you can go underneath them. And I like this beer, Pilsner. It's good. Hello.